everyone. Hope you all are well and healthy. Now, welcome to computer class. Today, we will start our chapter 5, that is the computer mouse from book 5. In this chapter, we will focus on the parts of computer mouse, mouse pointer and its uses. Here's a starter for you. Join the dots and color the picture. So, as you can see that there are two pictures and both the pictures are of mouse. The difference between them is that the left picture is of a real mouse and the right picture is of a computer mouse. So, you have to color them according to the colors of a real mouse and a computer mouse. Before starting the chapter, let us once revise about the computer system. There are four main parts of the computer. 1. Monitor, 2. Mouse, 3. Keyboard and 4. CPU box. Monitor. The screen of a computer is called the monitor. Whatever work we do on the computer, we can see it on the monitor. Mouse. A mouse is used to point at things on the monitor. It is also called a pointing device. When we move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen accordingly. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons and these buttons are called keys. We use these keys for typing and telling the computer what to do. The keyboard which we are using these days are QWERTY keyboards. CPU box. It is the brain of the computer. It contains the central processing unit, that is CPU. Most importantly, it helps the computer to control all its parts. You all knew about the computer mouse as we have already learnt about it. But in this chapter, we will come to know more about the computer mouse. Now let's start the chapter. You have already learned that a computer mouse is a part of a computer system. It is used to point and select items on the monitor. It is also used to play games and draw pictures. So, by using the computer mouse, we can point and select items on the screen of the monitor. Now, the fact zone. The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Carl Engelbart. So, you have to remember the name of the inventor of the mouse. Now, we will read about the parts of a mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons, left button and right button. Here you can see the picture of the mouse, that it consists of left mouse button, the right mouse button and the scroll wheel. In addition, some mouses also have a scroll wheel at the center. Such a mouse is called a scroll mouse. The mouse shown above is a scroll mouse. So children, we have just now seen the picture of a scroll mouse where the scroll wheel is at the center of the mouse. Mouse pad. A mouse pad is a thin flat surface over which we can move the mouse. A mouse works smoothly on the mouse pad. So, here you can see the picture that a mouse pad is a surface for placing and moving a computer mouse. A mouse pad enhances the usability of the mouse compared to using a mouse directly on a table by providing a surface to allow it to measure movement accurately and without jitter. Mouse pointer. When we move the mouse on a mouse pad, an arrow moves on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. A mouse pointer is also known as a mouse arrow or a mouse cursor. Is a graphical image that is used to activate or control certain elements in a graphical user interface. The mouse pointer follows the path of the user's hand as they move their mouse. The graphic shows an example of a mouse cursor and a mouse pointer. Once again, the fact zone. Some types of mouses are shown below. Mechanical mouse, the bottom view. Optical mouse, it's also the bottom view of the mouse. Wireless mouse and the joystick mouse. So, a mechanical mouse is a computer mouse that contains a metal or rubber ball on its underside. When the ball is rolled in any direction, sensors inside the mouse detect the motion and move the on-screen mouse pointer accordingly. An optical mouse is a computer mouse which uses a light source, typically a light emitting diode, that is LED, and a light detector to detect movement relative to a surface. A wireless mouse is a mouse that connects to the computer without a cord. It uses other radio frequencies come with their own transceiver that plugs into the USB port of the computer. The joystick mouse resembles a large pen and can be held in exactly the same way as the writing tool. Now, holding a mouse. This is the correct way of holding a mouse. You can see in the picture how the hand is placed over the mouse. Hold the mouse with the hand you used to write. Place your palm on the body of the mouse. Place your index finger on the left button. Mouse controls. When we press the mouse button, we hear a click sound. It is called clicking. Left click. When we press the left mouse button once, it is called left click. We use left click of a mouse for most of the tasks. You can see in the picture the left click. The left click is done with the index finger. The left click is also known as the single click, and the single clicking selects or highlights an object on the screen. Double click. When we quickly press the left button of the mouse 2 times, it is called double click. You can see on the picture that the index finger is placed on the left mouse button and click is written twice. This is the act of pressing the computer mouse button twice quickly without moving the mouse. Single clicking selects or highlights an object, and a double click executes the function associated with that object. Right click. When we press the right mouse button once, it is called right click. You can see the middle finger is placed on the right mouse button and click is written once. So the middle finger pressed the right mouse button once, and it is also called a secondary click. Right clicking typically opens a menu of operations such as copying and pasting, viewing a file's properties, and so on. Drag and drop. When we press the left button, keep it pressed, then move the mouse and leave the left button. It is called drag and drop. You can see on the picture. In computer graphical user interfaces, drag and drop is a pointing device gesture in which the user selects a virtual object by grabbing it and dragging it to a different location or onto another virtual object. Scrolling. When we roll the scroll wheel of the mouse up or down, it is called scrolling. Scrolling is used to move a page up or down. We use the scroll wheel as we have seen on the parts of a mouse, that the scroll wheel is at the center of the mouse. We use to move that scroll wheel to move the page up or down. Scrolling is sliding text, images, or videos across a monitor vertically or horizontally. Once again, there's a fact zone. In a laptop computer, a touchpad is used instead of a mouse. You can see it on the picture. Write your question answers in your copy. And for now, bye and thank you.